Hello, welcome to Movie Intro. The Power of the Dog is a 2021 Western drama film written and directed by Campion based on the 1967 novel of the same name by Thomas Savage. The film stars Benedict Cumberbatch, Kirsten Dunst, and Jesse Plemons. The film is an international co-production between New Zealand and Australia, Canada, the United Kingdom, and the United States. The story of the film follows that charismatic rancher Phil Burbank inspires fear and awe in those around him. When his brother brings home a new wife and her son, Phil torments them until he finds himself exposed to the possibility of love.